what's up YTV, it's your boy DJ Y and we're back with another episode. We have West Coast legends, Kurupt and Daz and Kurupt in the building. So legendary rappers went in New York City for a new movie premiere about also legendary DOC. This is beautiful movie where legendary rapper discusses a new documentary about his life. Also reflects on how the car wreck that cost him his voice also saved his life. This is legendary story, man.
What's up? You know what it is?
Live
in New York.
Right.
Yeah. You know what it is?
CNN, DPG,
You know what I'm saying? We're going to the
CNN.
DOC shit tonight. You know what I'm saying? See some history in the mess.
DOC, baby.
You know what it is, man. We in New York having a great time. One of the kings of New York in here. You hear me?
Got his ones on.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I look like an LA nigga today, baby. You know what I'm saying? Right. Yeah, got it.
Literally, if you play with Kurupt and Daz, immediately you will get your stress because these guys are the best, period. DPG is one of the best, man, living legends. Big shout out to Dog Pound. So guys, you already know that we had DOC new documentary movie premiere in New York City. This is legendary, man. This man truly deserves his flowers because I think that DOC is one of the most underrated rapper and producer of all time. This man really changed the game forever, and this is truth. Honestly, I have some advice for young generation. If you are too young and have no clue who DOC is, this movie is for you, bro. Where you can find out some crazy stories, some crazy moments of his life, and you immediately realize how important DOC is for the culture.
Neighborhood.
Neighborhoods.
We in here.
It's
This
hood
is our
day.
day.
Big U, where you at, baby?
Understand me?
We got
Honestly, I don't know where is Big U, but I know that Steve Lobel truly needs his own documentary because this guy is true legend. He's manager of the hip hop, manager of the culture, man behind the scenes, man. This is very underrated, man. Big shout out to Steve Lobel. We working, baby. So guys, on the screen you're watching legendary Fat Joe and Busta Rhymes. These guys also doing some major things for their city, and this is also highly appreciated. So if you like how we, don't forget to subscribe YTV, get the notification bells, like the video, and don't forget to visit hiphoptv.com. Thanks for watching. It's yours truly DJ Y. Peace.